this video, we'll show you how to create a quick and easy hair bow with ribbon. First, grab the 11 inches long ribbon. Fold end to end to create the exact middle point. Poke the needle in the middle. Take the second 11 inches long ribbon. Check if aligned. Then our third ribbon that is 10 inches long. Arrange each piece. Once the ribbons are in the right spot, wrap with the thread around the center and gently pull it tight. Use your fingers to shape the bow as you tighten the thread. We'll move on to creating the tail of the bow. Fold to find the center. Do a simple middle stitch. Wrap to secure the bow together. Then our centerpiece. We'll make a fold. Glue. We're almost done. We just need to put a clip on the back so you can wear it in your hair. For an extra touch, you can cut the edge of your bow with style. Heat seal to avoid fraying. And there, it's finished. It's very simple and easy technique of creating bow with ribbon. Thank you so much for joining me again today. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this project and subscribe for more DIY coming soon. See you next time!